Are you wondering how to use CrankWheel with Zoom calls? In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through everything you need to get the most out of CrankWheel during your Zoom meetings. Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal how you can use the software for free with an exclusive bonus. Now, let's dive in. CrankWheel is a great tool that lets you instantly share your screen with Zoom participants without any downloads or complicated setup. So, how does it work? First thing, you'll need to install CrankWheel. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes. Once you've done that, you're ready to start sharing your screen. Next thing, let's connect CrankWheel with your Zoom call. When you're on a Zoom meeting, just click the CrankWheel icon in your toolbar. You'll see a simple option that lets you share your screen directly with participants. CrankWheel doesn't require any plugins or additional software, making it a smooth and hassle-free experience. This feature is especially helpful if you need to share sensitive information, like documents or presentations, in real time, and you want to avoid technical hiccups. The third thing you need to know is how to control your screen share. CrankWheel allows you to manage what you're sharing with ease, whether it's your full screen or just a single application window. You can quickly switch between different displays without disrupting your Zoom session, making your meetings more professional and fluid. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, the ability to customize the sharing experience. With CrankWheel, you can share a live presentation to specific participants or use its screen sharing for one-on-one calls. This is perfect if you're demonstrating a product or guiding someone through a process on Zoom and want to make it personalized. Here's another important point. CrankWheel supports sharing with multiple viewers, so it's not limited to just one person. It's perfect for team meetings, client consultations, or online demos where you need to reach more than one person at a time. This feature enhances your Zoom calls, making them much more dynamic and interactive. Finally, let's talk about security. CrankWheel ensures that your data stays safe and encrypted during every Zoom call. You won't have to worry about your sensitive info being exposed. And before we wrap up, I've got an exciting offer for you. If you're interested in trying CrankWheel with Zoom calls, you can use this software completely free through the link in the description below. Plus, you'll get an exclusive bonus to make your experience even better. So to recap, CrankWheel makes Zoom calls smoother and more secure by allowing you to share your screen easily and securely. With no downloads, customization options, and high-level security, it's the perfect tool for your online meetings. Remember, check the link below for your exclusive extended free trial and start using CrankWheel with Zoom calls today.